Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 304 at One World Hotel in Petaling Jaya, Selangor, Malaysia. I would do the intro outside, but there's music playing in the hallway, so here I am doing the intro inside. But on the outside, to the right of the door, we have the room number, and to the left, we have the doorbell. And obviously, this is the key card. Okay, so that is the floor plan. To the left, as you enter the room, we have a couple of light switches together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. And here we have the entrance to the bathroom, together with the sliding door. And to the right of the bathroom, we have the shower area with the bath mat. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. And on the ledge right there, we have the shampoo, conditioner and bath gel. There we have the telephone, toilet paper, the toilet, the bin is right there. And beneath the sink on either sides, we have storage, and on the left side, we have a couple of towels. And speaking of the sink, it's in the middle right there. And to the left of the sink, right above, we have tissues and the bathroom amenities, a mirror, power outlet for the shaver, a light together with mirrors, and to the right of the sink, we have another light right there. And below we have a bar soap together with a couple of glasses. Here we have the bathtub with another set of shampoo, shower gel and conditioner. We have towels right there with a hook and another mirror next to the bathtub. Hello. And opposite the bathroom, we have another mirror with a light right above, the light switch right there, and the pantry area right there where we have a kettle, the ice cube container, bottles of water, glasses, mugs, snacks and tea and coffee making stuff. We have an empty drawer right here, and here we have a power outlet. Below we have the fridge, which is empty right there, so you can store your own items in there. But right here we have bottles of water with a couple of drinks. Okay, next to the pantry area we have the wardrobe, and the wardrobe doors also double up as mirrors. On this side we have the ironing board, torchlight, and there are extra pillows right above. We can also see hangers and bathrobes to the left. Behind this door, we have storage, in-room zippers, the laundry stuff, in-room safe, hair dryer, and another look at the extra pillow that is right above. Okay, here we have the climate control panel, and below we have a power outlet. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. This is a connecting room, so it does have this connecting room door right here that goes to the next room. But if you are not using it, we have a place to put luggage below. This is a twin bedroom. On the left bedside table, we have storage, a light, and behind the light, we have light switches and power outlets. Behind the right bedside table, we have more storage, writing materials, in-room telephone, more power outlets, more light switches, and the TV remote is right there. We have a standing light right there, and in front of the standing light we have an armchair together with a stool or footrest, if you will. Okay, opposite the bed we have a flat screen Sharp TV. Here we have the desk area with a couple of chairs, some welcome snacks. The bin is below. We have a desk light right there, and the in-room telephone, a light switch, more power outlets, more USB ports, and there's also a HDMI port right there. There's a table right there. And as for the view out of the window, we can see the One Utama shopping mall. That's one part of it, and this is the other part. We can also see the swimming pool area. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 304 at One World Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.